Oh, yo, what's up? So, I actually just had this idea. I kind of wanted to go to Goodwill, do a little thrift shopping, just because I heard a tip on a subreddit or somewhere. Weekday night, so Monday night, it's good to go like Marshalls and stuff, they said, and I normally do that, but I kind of wanted to get more Goodwill just 'cause I've been to Marshalls a lot recently, and I was thinking the same schematic supply that there's not going to be a lot of people out shopping. Quick disclaimer though, I did actually try to record myself the last time in a Goodwill, like just full on vlogging style. Not with my big camera or anything, just my phone, and they were not down at all. I will sneak some shots in as well as I can, but no guarantees, you know what I mean? If I get caught, like I'm just gonna be running with the stuff in my hands. I'm just ranting now. I'm like ready to go, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, real quick, I'm gonna just point out a few things that are on my mind. So I'm looking for, like mugs, stuffed animals, cool vintage shirts, chinaware, like glassware, pretty much anything of value that I find or come across. I've come across designer made popcorn tins. Let's get to it. Okay, so I just got here. I get super excited right when you walk in here because there's like a whole wall of stuffed animals at the back that you see. So I'm gonna try to stay cool, calm, collected, and obviously try to get some shots without getting kicked out. So it's looking busy, but I might get in there. I'm wasting valuable time. Forgot to get a cart. Game face on, maybe. I can't do anything with that, bro. It's like fucking Marshalls, bro.
This one's really cool. It's a burro. Okay, we gotta really be honest with me. Okay, we gotta be honest.
Yo, I don't really know if you guys saw or heard what happened or what was going on, but that lady there, I thought she worked there. She was putting all these Beanie Babies away and organizing them. I didn't know if she was just doing the biggest collection ever or she just was hauling butt with her job, but apparently she was just organizing them. She was telling me this whole crazy story about how she collects them, and she found a bunch of like really meaningful ones and like a Pearl Harbor one, and like her son was born on the day and she was flying, and she was just going off a lot about like sentimental value and stuff, and I was just kind of there kicking it, like looking the value up of some of the stuff I did get on eBay. It's really cool to like get these things that mean so much to other people, and whether or not it's like retail arbitrage and I make money, it's just, we're all just people, man. It's just such a cool way to end the night. And damn, man, there's definitely a lot more good people out there in the world than bad. So all right, I'm gonna head home though. I'll show you guys what I got. It didn't do too bad. I was hoping to hit another Goodwill or two, but I was actually there for a really long time, went through all the clothes racks, and it's already 9, and most of them close at 9, so I'm just gonna head home and start listing, I guess, what I got, taking a photo of it, documenting that. So I don't know, man, we'll see, but it was a good night. what's up? I actually just got back from Goodwill, and I'm sitting outside now. I just want to be too loud inside the house, and I have a little waterfall going, so I'm just using the headphones. But I wanted to elaborate on what I said earlier about what happened at Goodwill, dude. So yeah, then I was looking up some of the other clothes, like I said, on eBay and stuff. But you know, when she was putting sentimental value to pretty much every plush animal, and she was trying to sort through a cart of 80, and then she got down to 55, and then maybe 40, and then I think she went to go check out. But nonetheless, she was balling out, and it was cool. But for me, it was tough because I'm sitting there like looking at all these plush animals, and I'm like, bro, like I'm trying to look these all up and see which one I can get the most out of. But she approached me and she was like, some of these are worth $5,000. And I'm like, what, really? She said, yeah, but there's no one to like buy them for that. And I'm just like, so then they're not worth $5,000. Like, people just get a little too excited on those. And she was telling me that she just collects them, and it's like a whole collection case, and that's cool. I would have been going ham there. I would have just wanted to be honest. I didn't get a whole lot of footage. I did, however, grab a big Ziploc bag of, I think, some TY Beanie Babies and like some Coca-Cola Beanie Babies that she actually got too. I was a little bummed, but so yeah, I'll show you guys what I got. It was maybe like 45 minutes there, and I feel like I made decent profit. Let's go see what we got, you know what I'm saying? Beautiful night outside, let me tell you. Yo, let me just show you what we got from the little package, bro. So I got 3 of these editions. They're like Coca-Cola plush or bean bags from, I think, 1998 or 2000, and they're all representative of different countries. So these ones are like Indonesia, this one's Norway, and then Austria. Let me show you the rest. All right, yo, so my boy just walked in. I'm gonna take you guys through the rest of what I got though. So this is all the TY beanie dudes. They're all jingle beanies, and I don't think they're really worth a whole lot, but there's like, I got 12 of them. Let's say I sell a 12 pack for like, well, I actually ended up listing the 12 pack for $30, and I'll show you the listing here. It's 17 pack and it sold for 36 with free shipping. And I have a few more, I guess, rare ones that I saw online that sold a little bit more. And then there's a few I sold already. I got this polo right here. It's sold for $13.99, and I got it for $5.79 with shipping, $3.50, fees $120. So my profit there was $3.50. I'm gonna show you guys, I have all written out, the profit and the gross and everything that potentially, my phone keeps falling, I'm trying to have this planter right here. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I've already sold. To start off, besides the things that I've already sold, that I still have is this Nike vintage, like retro track and field. If you see this tag, I have it listed for 40, and I just put it up the other day. If I don't sell it, I'll probably keep it just because it fits me really well. So I have this John Varvatos polo. I know this type of thing sells. So this sweatshirt, I found something like this with the same tag but not as cool right here. It sold for 26. And then the John Varvatos tee, I also found this sold for 19, and I have it listed for $18.99. Just a different color. I think it's the same size and everything. The Coca-Cola, the 2000 collectible guys, I could not find too many of these. I found one that sold for $12.99. I'll put it right here. It's the Gator one. It's still in the bag, but I'm assuming if I got 3 pretty well mint condition, I would say, of those, I'm gonna have those going for like 29, just $28.99 or something, just a little under $30 to get that moving. I sold these Converse Jack Purcell leather shoes. They're really cool. I got them for $20, and I ended up selling them for like 45. So I'll take you guys through everything real quick. So the polo that I sold for $13.99, $5.80, $7.80. All those plush animals were $6.69. No math. This was only $5, and the shoes were $20. And here's all the math I did: shipping, fees, the profit, potential profit, based on things I saw that already sold. If I sell everything, I'm gonna make $94 in profit, and I grossed $176. Everything cost me $45, and I've already made $58. So hopefully I'll have these guys sold soon. I looked at the sold ones on eBay as much as I can. Sometimes you just don't know what's gonna sell, how quickly. But for now, I gotta take these other guys to the post office. Hopefully that gives you some insight on my trips to Goodwill. I might go to Marshall's next to show you guys how I do retail arbitrage there. If you made it this far, thanks for watching.